Welcome to our channel. If you need to download your medical records from MyChart for personal use, insurance, or to share with another healthcare provider, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to your healthcare provider's MyChart portal. Sign in using your MyChart username and password. Step 2. Once logged in, look for a section labeled Medical Records, Health Summary, or Documents in the main menu. Click on this section to access your medical information. Step 3. Browse through available options such as visit history, test results, medications, or complete medical record. Select the type of information you want to download. Step 4. Many MyChart portals offer a health summary feature that compiles your complete medical information. Click on View Health Summary or Download Health Summary. Step 5. Select the date range you want to include in your download. You can choose all records or specify a time period for specific visits or test results. Step 6. Look for a print or download button, usually located at the top or bottom of the page. Click this button to generate a PDF version of your medical records. Step 7. Choose where to save the PDF file on your computer. The downloaded file will contain your medical history, medications, allergies, test results, and visit summaries. Keep this file secure as it contains sensitive health information. You can now share these records with other healthcare providers or keep them for your personal health files. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.